Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to verify crypto on Robinhood. First, open your Robinhood app and tap on the crypto icon at the bottom. Then, select the specific cryptocurrency you want to verify from your portfolio list. Next, scroll down to find your transaction history for that asset. This section provides a clear record of all your buys, sells, and transfers, helping you confirm your holdings and activities quickly and easily. It's a straightforward process to keep track of your digital assets. Once you're in the transaction history, take a moment to review the details. Each entry shows the date, time, and the exact amount of crypto involved. You can also see whether it was a buy, sell, or transfer. This helps you cross-reference with your own records or bank statements. Understanding these specifics ensures accuracy and gives you confidence in your crypto portfolio on Robinhood. It's all about clarity and transparency. Beyond just checking transactions, maintaining strong account security is crucial. Always ensure you have two-factor authentication enabled for an extra layer of protection. Regularly review your linked bank accounts and payment methods to confirm they are correct. If you ever notice anything unusual or suspicious, contact Robinhood support right away. Taking these proactive steps helps safeguard your investments and personal information on the platform, giving you peace of mind. For a more in-depth verification, consider downloading your monthly statements from Robinhood. These provide a comprehensive overview of all your activities across different assets. You can also compare your Robinhood data with external crypto tracking apps for an independent check. And speaking of making things easy, if you're looking to streamline your daily routine, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. They can really help simplify your life. Always stay informed and secure with your crypto holdings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.